Hello everyone. So today we will see how to use the online PLC simulator. So this particular simulator is an online simulator which is readily available online, and this kind of simulators can be used to check our ladder program, whether any error is there, whether the program works fine or not. And in this particular program we'll see how to control a particular a very basic program to control a lamp using latching, and also using set coil and reset coil, the same function using set coil and reset coil. So first, here you can add the variables. So for example, here I'm going to use a start push button, which is a boolean type. Start, stop, also a push button. Then I will use a lamp as the output device. So here you can form the rung conditions. So you can, if you want to add new rung, you can use this particular tab. If you want to add latch, you can click and drag the latching part. Or you want coils, contacts, timers, counters, and if you have any arithmetic operation, comparative operations, you can use the following tabs. So here in this particular program, we are going to use a normally open start. Double click on the start contact and choose the variable name. Then in order to latch the output, we will have a latching, and then we will have a normally close stop button. Then we will have output coil. So the output here is the lamp. Double click on the lamp and latch the output, which is the lamp. So when you go to the simulation mode, just click on the play button. So here you have the simulation mode. So when you press the start button, you can see start button becomes true, push button, lamp is switched on. When you release the start push button, lamp is still on due to this latching. And if you want to stop this process, press the stop push button. So once you press the stop push button, lamp is off. So this is using latching. The same function we can do also using set coil and reset coil. So we'll go into the application where we are going to use a set coil and reset coil. So we will have two rung conditions. First one is the input to the contact. Then the input is start push button. The coil will be a set coil, so I will use set coil instead of normal coil. Output is lamp. Then when I press the stop push button, I will reset the lamp. So go to the online simulation mode. So press the start button, you can see the lamp is true. When I press the, even if I release the start button, lamp is still true because it is already set. And then when I press the stop button, lamp becomes false. So this is using set coil, reset coil, which achieve the same condition which we followed in the previous program. Okay, thank you very much.